ఏపీఎస్ఎస్డిసి నైపుణ్య వికాసం లైఫ్ స్కిల్స్ క్లాస్ 6 టాపిక్ యాంగర్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. Hello children and welcome to our online video classes. Today I am going to talk about very interesting module. I am sure like some things like this, what you can really relate to. What I am going to talk about today, anger management. Sometimes in their life, any situation might have felt angry. What exactly angry and this module going to talk about anger management. What is anger management? Anger management is about understanding your anger and why it happens. It is about learning and practicing better ways of expressing anger and knowing how to prevent it from occurring in the first place. Specifically, anger management is about knowing the triggers and early warning signs of anger and learning techniques to calm down and manage the situation before it gets out of control. My dear children, I am going to tell you about a small story. A father and a daughter. It's very interesting and how her father couldn't control his anger. A father was polishing his new car. His 4-year-old daughter picked up a stone and scratched on the side of the car in anger. The furious man took his child's hands and hit it many times, not realizing he was using a wrench. At the hospital, the child lost all his fingers due to multiple fractures. When the child saw her father with painful eyes, he asked, "Dad, When will my fingers grow back? The father was so hurt and speechless. He went back to the car and kicked it many times. Devastated by his own actions, sitting in front of the car, he looked at the scratches his daughter had written, "Love you, Dad." Moral: remember, anger and love have no limit. Always remember that things are to be used and people are to be loved. But the problem in today's world is that people are being used and things are being loved. Okay, my dear children, are you understand this story? Okay. Next, importance of anger management. Floor up for fights and arguments. Neither good nor bad. Either to stop or start harming. Beyond your control. You will learn to show emotions, feel better, build happy relationship, healthy and wealthy. Some tips to help you stay calm. Here are some ways you can control your anger. Number 1, count down. Count down to 10. If you are really mad, start at 100. In the time it takes you to count, your heart rate will slow and your anger will likely subside. Tips 2. Take a breather. Your breathing becomes shallower and speeds up as you grow angry. Reverse that trend your anger by taking slow deep breaths from your nose and exhaling out of your mouth for several moments. Tip number 3. Go walk around. Exercise can help calm your nerves and reduce anger. Go for a walk, ride your bike, or hit a few golf balls.
Anything that gets your limbs pumping is good for your mind and body.
Children, have you understood the topic? Tomorrow I will come with another topic. Children, Now I am displaying assessment test. Observe carefully, read Roman wise, and all the best for your exam, children. Bye.